Very good morning, students. Hope you all are doing great. So, after we have completed the sessions on nouns, verbs, adjective, today is the turn for adverbs. So, hope you all are ready. Let's start with the session. Okay. Before we start, let me understand what is an adverb. Can any one of you give me a small description about an adverb by writing in the comment section? Okay. Now, if we start, an adverb is very simple. It is a word that modifies or describes a verb or an adjective or even an adverb and a sentence. For example, if I say that he sings loudly, this is a tall man. The session ended too quickly. So, in all these sentences, what is the common thing? It is helping us to modify and describe about it, right? तो किसी भी चीज को अगर हम डिस्क्राइब करते हैं या फिर मॉडिफाई करते हैं उसे हम एडवर्ब बोलते हैं. यूजुअली आप देखोगे कि एडवर्ब एल आई एंड करता है एट द एंड. इट एंड्स विथ एल आई एट द एंड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर्चुनेटली, लाउडली, quickly. So these are some of the words which are ending as li. Okay, so this is an adverb. Now, there are 6 types of adverbs. The first is adverb of manner. So जैसे कि नाम बता रहा है, ये हमें बताता है how did it happen, ये कैसे हुआ. तो हम अगर कोई भी चीज, जब हमारे पास कोई सेंटेंस आता है, अगर हम उसमें क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे how did it happen, ये कैसे हुआ, तो हमें आंसर अपने आप मिल जाएगा कि adverb of manner क्या है. Adverb of manner usually include or you can say typically comes before the verb or after the direct object in a sentence. Very simple. अब देखोगे इसको, यूजली ये वर्ब के सामने एक रहेगा या फिर एक डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद में रहेगा एक सेंटेंस में. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं इसमें बोलूं कि ही प्लक्ड द रोजेस स्लोली, तो मैं क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ? हाउ डिड ही प्लक्ड इट? He plucked it slowly. So what is an adverb of manner here? The adverb of manner is slowly. Similarly, अगर मैं बोलूं I combed my hair carefully. So how did I comb my hair? I did it carefully. So carefully is a manner. So did you note that it is ending with li at the end, and it is also helping us to describe about the verb or an adverb or even a sentence, isn't it? So this is an adverb of manner. Similarly, what is an adverb of degree? An adverb of degree tells us about how much. It is also describing about a degree of an adjective or even another adverb. Okay, so we will ask what type of question? How much. For example, there is hardly any water in the glass. So how much water? Hardly any. So what is the adverb here? Hardly, isn't it? The girls look simply awesome in her white dress. So how does she looks? Simply. So how awesome is she? She is looking simply. So simply is an adverb of degree. Okay. Now the next one is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency answers the question how often, because कितनी जल्दी वो appear करता है एक sentence में या एक verb के आगे. Okay. जैसे अगर मैं बोलूं he normally sleeps at this time. So how often does he sleep? हमें ये question पूछना है how often he sleeps. So the answer will be at this time, isn't it? Similarly, I always share my tiffin with my parents. So how often do you share? Always, isn't it? So this is an adverb of frequency. Again, if I say what is an adverb of place, adverb of place clarify where the action took place. वो बताता है हमें कहाँ पे ये चीज हुआ. Okay, so हमें इसे किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछना पड़ेगा? Where did you find it? For example, I found the necklace under the shelf. So where did you find it? Under the shelf. Okay, there are more fruits in the box. So where are there more fruits? In the box. So it is showing the adverb of place. हमें पता चल जाएगा कि कहाँ पे वो है. So that will help us to understand whether it is an adverb of place or not. Unlike prepositions, adverb of place are not followed by objects. They are not followed. They will be at the end of the sentence. For example, जैसे मैंने बताया, I found the necklace under the shelf. तो where did you find it? Under the shelf. Again, अगर मैं बोलूं, where are there more fruits? In the box. So this is an adverb of place. Now, the next one is adverb of time. ये हमें exact details बताता है कि किस time पे ये चीज हुई है. So we usually see these kinds of adverbs placed in the beginning or at the end of the sentences. Okay? Usually you will find it either in the beginning, जब शुरुआत हो रही है किसी भी sentence की, उसके आगे में देखोगे, या फिर at the end of the sentence. For example, you went to the post office day before yesterday. So when did you go? Day before yesterday. So that is a yesterday is what is an adverb of time. Similarly, they visited the temple on a holiday. So when did they visit it? On a holiday. So holiday is a adverb. Again, if I say yesterday I was present in the class. So when I was present in the class? Yesterday. Isn't it very interesting? Hope you all are understanding this session. Okay. So let's complete with the next one. That is the last one, because adverbs of we have 6 types of adverbs. So conjunctive adverbs, as the name says, they function, even though they function as conjunctions, they also function as conjunctions. So sometimes you may get confused whether it is a conjunction or it is a conjunctive adverb, because it connects two independent clauses or sentences and they don't answer a question like any other adverbs. For example, I had a wonderful lunch, still I am hungry. So here, still is what? A conjunctive adverb, because it is joining two sentences and it is also telling us that there is a transition words in the beginning of a sentence or a clause. Okay. Similarly, if I say Jack decided to quit the job, likewise Sam began to think about different other opportunities. So likewise is again a thing that is joining two sentences. So that is a conjunctive adverb. So this type of adverb is not very commonly used because we use conjunctions, but still you should be knowing. If anybody asks you how many types of adverbs are there, so we will answer what all. How many types of adverbs are there? Very good. We are having 6 types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of time, and the last one is the conjunctive adverbs. So with this, we complete the session on the adverbs, and I hope this session was equally important and valuable. In case if you have not subscribed our videos, please do subscribe so that we can bring more and more valuable sessions for you. Thank you so much, friends, and do take good care of yourself.